Today our topic is all about Simpson's one-third rule. So this rule is a popular technique of numerical analysis for numerical integration of definite integrals. So our general formula for Simpson's rule is A, or our area, is equals to h over 3 times the quantity of f of x sub a plus 4 times f of x sub 1 plus 2 times f of x sub 2 plus and so on and so forth plus f of x sub b. So let's have an example. So the example that I use is the example that I already used to the trapezoidal rule. So we have a function of the integral of a function of 1 plus x squared, we have a limit of a lower limit of 1 and upper limit of 5. And we have an n, which is what we call the approximating trapezoid. So first we have to compute for the step size. So the formula for step size is b minus a over n. So again, our b is for our upper limit, which is 5, minus 1 over the n, which is 4. So equivalent to 4 over 4 is equals to 1. Then next is getting the value for x sub 1, x sub 2, and x sub 3. So for getting that, so first for the x sub a, it is the lower limit, so we have 1. Then for our x sub 1 is equals to x sub a plus h is equals to 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. X sub 2 is equals to x sub 1 plus h, which is 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Then x sub 3 is x sub 2 plus h is equals to 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. Then for our x sub b, which is our upper limit value, is 5. So next is for getting the f of x sub a, f of x sub 1, f of x sub 2, f of x sub 3, and f of the value for f of x sub b. So for getting that, we just have to substitute the value that we get for the x sub a example to the given function. So 1 plus 1 squared is equals to 1 squared is equals to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So for our x sub 1 is, let's substitute the value 2 to the given equation, which is 1 plus 2 squared is equals to 5. Then f of x sub 2, which is 1 plus 3 squared is equals to 10. Then because 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. And for our f of x sub b, which is 5, so 1 plus 5 squared is equals to 25 plus 1 is equals to 26. And substitute to the given formula. So our h is 1, so it will become 1/3 over the value of our x a lately is 2 plus 4 times 2, which is our value for f of x sub 1, plus 2 times for the value of f of x sub 2 is equals to 10. Then for the value of x sub 3, I forgot to compute the value for f of x sub 3. So for the value of f of x sub 3 is equals to 1 plus 4 squared. 4 squared is equals to 17. So then 2 times 17, then plus 26 for the value of f of x sub b. So our a is equals to 1/3. Then 2 plus 8 plus 20 plus 20 plus 34 plus 26. So let's compute for the value of our a. So we have an error. So we have the formula should be 4 times f of x sub 3. So it should be 4. So 4 times 17 is equals to 68. So our value here should be 68. 68. Then, so we have an error ulit for the value of our f of x sub 1. It should be 5 according to our computed value. It should be 5. So we have again 20 here. So let's compute the value for RA. So 1/3 times 2 plus 20 plus 20 plus 68 plus 26 is equals to 45.33. So this is the answer for our area for using Simpson's 1/3 rule. So as we can see, the value that we get here is approximately